Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're enjoying my Christmas in July YouTube Rewind installments in which I share with you some Christmas project ideas in which you can replicate and enjoy and make these your very own. For today's video, I'm sharing with you a Christmas wand that I made using some Dollar Tree snowflakes and die cuts from both Spellbinders and Heartfelt Creations. This snowflake wand was super easy to make. As you can see, the snowflake was already done for me. I bought it from a pack of 3, I believe, from Dollar Tree, and all I did was die cut a beautiful, almost doily-like frame from Spellbinders, and I don't think that one is available anymore, but I will go ahead and link you to others just like it in the description area below. And that poinsettia die cut that you see there is a Heartfelt Creations poinsettia, and I will go ahead and link you to it in the description area below as well. And also, I'd like to let you all know, if you've been watching my videos, you will already know that Heartfelt Creations has offered us a tremendous bonus in which you get $20 off your purchase of $40 or more, your first time purchase of $40 or more from their website by using my link that you see down below. I hope that you continue to enjoy my Christmas in July YouTube Rewind series, and I will see you once again in the next video. Bye now.